Man, I don't know, man. I was gonna put out the wildlife cam. I probably should have. Julie, this is the worst I've seen it. What? This is the worst I've seen it. Look at that tree out there. I cannot believe. You know what? We got a tornado, I think. Get inside. Get downstairs right now. Get downstairs. No, seriously, look outside, you guys. It's swirling bad. Look outside. Seriously. You guys, look right now.
Like this?
Look how crazy that is.
I'm terrified. I'm like, my heart's racing like crazy.
That is definitely the worst I've seen it. Mom and I saw the trees started doing like a tornado. They started swirling. Like these were coming this way and these were coming this way.
I'm really scared.
Just, Mom, you clean the closet out?